Hello and welcome to Karina Dolls. I'm glad to show you what I've done in 4 days time. All these. First off, I started off with the lenses. This was the first thing I did. A doll eyepiece with nothing on it. Then was this. As you can see, flat and round. Then I did this. These little tiny eyes, they're about 1.6 centimeters. This one I did on the second day, it's eyes. As you can see, let me show you. This one's pink. This one's brown. And then this is what I did yesterday. It still has to be polished, but it's an eye, as you can see. And then it's this one here, which is a heart. Another one with a little heart inside. I've got quite a few pairs to fit with each other, so yeah, these are them.